Good afternoon, all. This is Tom here. I'm looking for some help. I got this Peco three-way switch. It's a PL-E99. It's a code 100, and on my track is code 83. And I got these transition joiners, and they're okay, but I wish I could find a code 83 turnout three-way, but I can't find any on the internet. So I got this all wired up, and I finally got the all the tracks wired that I moved out, and it took me a while to figure out the combination of which way the turnouts had to be to go what direction. So when both turnouts are in normal, it goes to the right, which is block 37. And that one works. The engine can go eastbound and westbound, in there and out with no problem. If I put it on, if both are reversed, it goes to block 22, which is this spur over here. It derails. If I take the engine and put it inside there and then back it out, it runs through. So that's problem one. It derails coming eastbound, which is this direction. That's going eastbound. And then that's westbound going that direction. So when it backs out, it's going westbound, and it backs out and runs, right through. It hiccups, it bumps a little bit on that transition rail, but I haven't gotten them quite tuned in yet. And so then when the first point, which is the first tortoise, is reversed, and the second tortoise is normal, then it goes straight through. But it derails coming straight through. So the points on the Peco, I don't understand them. And if I take the engine and put it on block 1, which is the main line here, and run it going westbound, it runs through no problem. So coming eastbound, it derails on the turnout every time, going to the main line or going to block 22. But 37, it's fine. So I can show you what I'm talking about. So the first test we're going to do, I wrote it all down here on my paper, and you can't see that well, but what we're going to do is we're going to make both turnouts normal. So we go on my power cab here, select accessory, and we got 119 is the second one. So I'm going to hit enter, and right now it's reversed, so I'm going to say 1 normal. So now that's normal. We're going to select accessory 101, hit enter, it's reversed, and we're going to hit normal. Okay, so now they're both normal, and when they're both normal, it goes to block 37. So let's just see. Put him in forward, turn his headlight on, and let's run him. See where he goes. Oh, I guess I didn't have that set right. So, see, that's what happens. It derails going to there. And let me get this back in place. Let me check to make sure that both are normal. Go to the left. So let's check the accessory 101, enter. Set to normal. Select accessory 119, enter. Normal. Okay, let's try running him again. Yeah, that's what it does. No matter what I do. Let me just get him pushed back in place again. The points don't seem to be moving. That's the problem. So this was working. Of course, when I show a video, it's not going to work. Let me change the points again. Let me try select 101, reverse, select accessory 101 again, select accessory 101, 1. Okay, select accessory 119, enter, reverse, select accessory 119, 1, normal. Okay, now let's see if it works. Yeah, that's what it was. I guess you have to get the right sequence, which I haven't nailed down yet. So let's go backwards. Now we're going to go westbound. And he runs through. We go forward. And comes again. And he runs right through. So that's the only combination that this engine runs through backwards and forwards. The others combinations, it only works going westbound, which is the direction this is going in now. That's going westbound. So the coming eastbound for the other directions aren't working. So either my combinations are wrong and the turnouts aren't getting in the right spot, or there's something wrong with the points, they're not moving to the right spot. Now I have tortoise motors machines on both of them, and I'm using code 037 spring wire, which is pretty thick. I had 032 on there and it wasn't working. So 032 is what I use on every one of my turnouts, or 037, I'm sorry, what I use on all my turnouts. And that doesn't bend or anything. That wire is pretty strong. So it's a 4-inch long spring wire too. It's longer than normal ones, but it is set up to move the points in there, and I don't understand this at all. So anybody that has any ideas, please respond and let me know. If you have any troubleshooting ideas on what I can do, I'd appreciate it. And have a great day, and look forward to your responses. Thanks again, and this is Tom.